Stop scrolling. This automated trading bot is making real profits while beginners are still trading manually. Watch this carefully because I'm showing live results and a hidden strategy most people don't know. So you need your Binance account where you buy your assets, and you need RunQuilly account where you get the free automated bots. Remember, the automated bots are free, and if you comment in my videos, you might get a chance to win free capital, of which I'll find you. And you join the free classes. Link is in bio. Click on it and join for free classes. So let's get to automated bots where you'll be able to copy trade my trading activity. When I make a profit, you make a profit. When I make a loss, you make a loss. I've done everything, and today's capital is 200 USDTs. And what are we doing? Which bot are we using? We are using this bot. Which one was it? I did the analysis. It is called Steady Growth Bot. Just a minute, guys. I'm sorry about that. So after that, it will run for 30 minutes. So the time is limited, will go very fast. You come and start your automated bot, and you enter amount 200. Then you can set take profit and maximum loss. So far, nobody has come to my account complaining that he made a loss with my copy trading. So it's somehow sure, and the bot are automated, so we have nothing to worry. So I'll start my bot and we check the live full logs. Remember, it goes for only 30 minutes. First one, we made a profit of 4.76. Every cent counts in crypto, and the automated bots also. So we'll wait for 3 logs to form with this automated bot. Then we'll proceed. 8, a profit of 8. So we have a P&L of 13, and time remaining. We have to go very fast. I have to share this link so that people can join before the 30 minutes. PNL 13, 29 minutes remaining. So let me copy trade. So let me share my link. So many people are sharing. 20 actually. We are at 20 USDT's profit. So let me copy it and share it on Telegram. Then you'll see how many people are joining. Just one share and we'll see how many people are joining. So let me also share it on WhatsApp. Due to privacy issues, I won't show the WhatsApp because there are people's numbers there. So guys, I've shared, and so far, just in 2 minutes, we've got 50 views. You can see people are viewing at a very high rate because I do give the exact time, it is 10. So people are on toes, and make sure at 10, every 10, your account is funded. That's RunQuilly, so that you can act fast. You can see like today's trade goes for only 30 minutes. You can see 73. Let's wait, and we go check the requests, at least 100. 73 people are viewing, my guys. 95. You can see the rate of which people are viewing this post. That's the link. That's the code to use for your automated bot. That's the code you use for copy trading. That's the code you use. 99. Let it hit at least 100. Where are these people? 123. So let's go check the requests. So I'm just being transparent. I had approved some of them while I shared. Request not found. Okay, let's wait.